Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm here with my fiance Andrew and he's going to be helping me with this video today, and we're going to be doing a 60s kind of style cut crease but on hooded eyes. We are quarantined together and luckily he's got hooded eyes, so we've practiced a little bit and hopefully I can share some of my tips with you to help create this 60s inspired look. So first I'm just going to start with concealer. I'm just basically going to do what I do for my makeup but on him. So whatever concealer you have or whatever face makeup you like to do, or none. I think this shade's a little light for you, but that's okay. We're gonna make do since this is all I have. So before we get into this eye look, you guys, I just want to say that this is not the only 60s eye makeup look that you could do. There are like a million, and you don't even have to wear makeup to like get a 60s look. I get that question once in a while. And it's really whatever you're comfortable with. Like, people didn't wear makeup all the time then. Don't sweat it. You don't have to do this look to give off a 60s kind of a vibe. I'm gonna put a little bit on his lids too, just to help make them really like be super bright. If you guys are musicians at all, by the way, Andrew also has a channel. And he does musical covers, like Beatles songs is what he's focusing on now, where he kind of like teaches you how to play the songs and like recreate the sounds that they used in the studio.
That's right.
It's called Abbey House. They also do the background music from all of my videos, so yeah, fun fact.
And one of the reasons I wanted to have my makeup done was so I could shoot a video later tonight for some of the original songs.
Yes.
If you wanted to check that on out.
Yeah, that's gonna be so fun. They sound so good. I'm super excited. Before he gets all glam metal rockered up, he's gonna get all mod London up.
They're pretty similar.
Yeah.
Go hand in hand.
They do. How do you feel in makeup? Does it feel like I'm like painting your face when I'm putting stuff on? Or what? Or...
I just kind of ignore it.
Yeah.
Like last time I was wearing it, I totally forgot I had it on, and I went out to like check the mail or something, and I was
all
in
like
full crazy makeup.
Yeah.
Just casually wandering the streets. I had face paint on. Might need to throw a picture of that up.
Yeah, definitely will. Yeah, we recorded me practicing this look on him too, and I got to watch it back in like super speed, so that was kind of fun and also helpful, I feel like. And when it comes down to this look, honestly, practice makes perfect, because if you look back at my Instagram, you can see where I was starting to try to do this kind of makeup, and it was fine, but it was not like, you know, you obviously just get better as you go on.
Yeah, and you don't even realize you're getting better. It just sort of happens, and then you look back one day and you're like, whoa, that's a lot different.
Right, I had no idea until I was looking back recently, and I was like, oh geez, wow. So I just did blush, and I just used the Glossier Cloud Paint, and I believe it's in Haze. Yes, in case you're wondering. And now I'm just setting it with some face powder that I have. I'm going to go right on his lid with this kind of shimmery white shade. And you could really do any color, like it's kind of fun to mix and match and you get a different look. You can match it to your outfit or kind of do like contrasting colors is cool. But I'm going to go with just a classic black and white kind of a look. So I'm going to use the shimmery white shade, and I'm just going to pat it on his lids. And I'm going to go just slightly above his crease, because what this makeup actually did, or was supposed to do, was help create the illusion of bigger eyes for like a hooded eye situation. So it's definitely possible if you have hooded eyes. I feel like it was created for the hooded eyes specifically. And I'm also going to bring it down into the inner corner, because this is what I use for the inner corner pop of shimmer. Add it to the tip of his nose and his lip like I do too. Okay, so now we're getting to the crease part, and you're going to find the thinnest brush you have. I am using this brush that I got in a L'Oreal eyeliner like probably 5 years ago, but it is my favorite brush because it is like my go-to for thin lines and eyeliner, and it's just really thin, as you can see. So whatever you have. But just goes to show they do not have to be expensive. It's literally a $5 eyeliner, free pencil, or free brush. And I'm just going to use this black eyeshadow in here, so whatever you have, again, could be any color. And I think first I'm going to go in and I'm going to kind of map out, like put little dots in each area that I want to hit. I feel like that'll help kind of keep things looking symmetrical. Keep your eyes open for this because you're going to want to see where your natural crease goes, and you're going to be putting this line above that. Alright, so we've got it mapped out. Now I'm just going to go in with a light hand and just kind of go slowly back and forth to create this line. And if you're doing this on yourself, again, keep your eyes open. I'm just bringing that out past where his eye actually is as well, which is going to help create the illusion that your eyes are bigger. So once you're done with this, you can always go over it with eyeliner too. If you feel like the eyeshadow is not going to stay throughout the day, that's an option, but I have found that eyeshadow is more forgiving. So even if I'm going to go over it with eyeliner, I feel like sometimes I like to just do eyeshadow first to make sure that I have the line that I want to trace over, and it's just easier. So now what I'm going to do, just to kind of help smooth things out, I'm going to take a brush that's still pretty small, but it's a little bit fluffier than that one, and I'm going to put a little bit of the black eyeshadow on that and kind of go over that line lightly. So this is where we're at. He's looking so good. Now we're going to move on to the eyeliner parts, which honestly, eyeliner for hooded eyes is really hard, and I have my hat off to all of you out there who can do really nice eyeliner with hooded eyes. I personally just make the line thinner, and luckily with this look, Twiggy did more of a downward kind of a tail on her eyeliner instead of like an up cat eye kind of situation. So I feel like it's a little bit easier to do if you have hooded eyes, luckily. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I was scared at first. I was terrified. I was like, you can't do this, Devyn. You're in too far. You're in over your head. You're in the deep end. But I like it. Close them. Ooh. Ah.
Well.
Tell me when you have to blink.
It just makes my eyes water, so it might ruin your makeup when that happens.
Okay.
It's starting to water.
Oh no, 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 no. Just take them over.
It feels like ice cubes.
What a cutie! He's looking super fab. I'm just gonna do a little eyebrows.
Oh yeah. Oh.
We'll give him a couple freckles too in true Twiggy form. So I'm just using some brown eyeshadows and that little brush. And I'm gonna kind of just place them all over, using different kind of browns to make it a little more realistic. And then I always go over my freckles with my powder brush too, just to kind of help set them into my face. Just kind of pat it over them. And now for some mascara. So whatever mascara you have, you can add fake lashes if you want to. Twiggy, of course, did. It was very popular for the 60s too, but again, not everybody wore fake lashes. Anita Pallenberg actually said as well that she hated wearing mascara, and to even photo shoots she would be wearing no mascara, and like the photographer would be like, what the heck are you doing? But I can agree with her on that. As much as I like the way mascara looks, I hate taking it off, and that's my issue with it. You have really nice long lashes though.
Oh hell yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
I grew them myself.
You're doing great. That's what I mean.
Thank you.
Okay, if you have to blink, you can blink, but be careful. You're okay, you're okay. Okay, open, but lightly. Alright, now I'm going to comb his hair like Twiggy's. So we're just going to give him a nice side part. Now, he's bearded Twiggy!
What? Give me a face. What's her faces?
So here is the finished look. I think that it turned out really well. I'm super excited. And it really was not hard to do. Like, my main takeaway key points that I would say to remember when you're doing your own cut crease is to keep your eyes open and go above where your crease is. You're going to be getting close to your eyebrow, but even I am when I go, because I don't go directly into my crease either. I go like slightly above, and my eyebrow's right there. So, you know, it's all part of the illusion. Have fun with it. Mix up some colors. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Andrew, for letting me make you up and sitting so still and being a perfect model.
Thanks for making me pretty.
We hope you guys are having a fantastic day, whatever you're doing, and we'll catch you in the next one.